back there.
So Mayor, na ipaabuto ng mga tao sa December 10.
Well, what I can promise you is that I will try to be a Filipino.
Mayor, niingon na ka dati,
Meaning,
Mayor,
Mayor, you will respond to the claymore and desperation of the Filipino
Well,
people.
that is one because I said I do not have the ambition to be president. Pero ingon anang ilang padagan sa gobyerno nga puro daog-daog gani sa gagmay. Nga wala ang mga dato wagi problema. Ang mga pobre nga muli nga to sungkong mo trabaho magpasulugoon nga to may bakbakan nilang sa mot. Binuang man na.
Mayor, niingon na ka dati nga mag-submit ka kung sa man decision sa partido. Now that the PDP Laban has decided.
No, it has to be my decision. That PDP's decision is their own. I must tanaw ko sa langit kung angay bagyo kong mapresidente.
There's right this moment of despair,
Look,
Mayor.
December 10 is the deadline. Well, why don't you just wait for December 10? Kung December 10 mo sipot ko sa Manila, I will file my certificate of candidacy.
So there is something to look forward to.
Yes,
Yes, Mayor, there is something to look forward to.
Kung naging mabinuang na to, kaya niya kung putay na, papusilta mo nga, diretso, wala nga istorya.
So, Mayor,
Dagot
until
ko na.
December 10, Mayor,
Busado ang tao.
the
Ha?
desperate people of the Republic of the Philippines has until December 10 to wait.
Yes. You wait. We just wait.